Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a tool tier type system for the survival game tutorial in Unreal Engine. See here, I made this example here. Don't mind the actual 3 model. I'm just showing stuff. As you can see here, this is mineable by hand. I made this mineable by hand. If I mine it right now by my hand without holding any item, it drops. But there is a problem here. I realized that there is a problem with the blueprint in that game. See, if I hold anything that's not a hand tool type, it will not drop and break. I mean, see, I'm trying to mine, it's not breaking. Once it breaks, it doesn't drop anything. As you can see here, boom, disappear. It should not happen. We need to go to the destructible object. In order to do that, click here. You see this part here. It says tool type compatible, and it will not drop unless if it's compatible. All that stuff, compatibility stuff, happens in the first person character, so we need to go there, not here. As you can see here, it only checks if the tool type is equal. Did I just name it toot? Okay, let me fix that. Okay, let me fix this naming problem. Tool, yes. Now it's fixed. Now I just save all. Everything needs to be saved. And now close this. Go back to this. Now see here, there's an error because I need to change it here. And we haven't changed anything basically. We just renamed the tool name, the tool type name. In order to fix the problem with the mining issue, in order to fix the problem, we need to do this. We check if this is equal to hand, and then we do an OR statement over here and drag this into the front. It checks if the tool types are correct, or if it is like the tool mining is equal to hand, you can just break it immediately without needing to worry about the type. So as you can see here, if I go mine this now, it immediately drops. Let me restart and now grab the mining stick. Now it still should work, I think. Not this one, this one. Yes, now it works properly. Anyway, we fixed the issue. Now let's begin with the tool system that we need to make. We made the tool system, of course, but I meant the tool power level. So as you can see, in some games, like when you have have multiple tools, you need to upgrade them. You have different levels of tools. Like for example, the difference between a stone pickaxe and iron pickaxe, as an example I made last episode. If you mine with an iron pickaxe, it breaks faster, but with a stone pickaxe, it breaks slowly because the stone pickaxe is weaker. You know what I mean. Let's start by that. We need to open the structure for both the item var and the destructible object var. Here, we both open them and add a new variable for both. Make those an integer. We move the integer directly underneath the tool type so that it's more organized. We call it tool power. The default is gonna be 0. We're gonna leave it 0. Also the same here. We add a variable, change it to an integer, move it underneath. Oh wait, it's down there. Hold on. And it's underneath the tool type, and we call it the same thing, tool power. Or actually, let me call it minimum tool power. Minimum tool power. So basically, if you like, for example, an iron ore, you need a stone pickaxe, for example. If you mine it, it drops. But if you have a diamond pickaxe, it's stronger, right? And you should still be able to mine the iron ore. So yeah, I'm taking the example straight from Minecraft, but anyway, you know what I mean. This is the minimum tool power. It needs to actually work. Now, so you can see here, let me save all that stuff. Since we we change stuff in the structures. We need to save a lot of things because they're all tied together. Now as you can see here, both have the tool power thing. You see here, when the tool power here, we make an AND over here. Yes. Now we attach this thing here. If the minimum tool power is less or equal to the tool power. Actually, let me make it more clear and do this. Take this is for the from the item, and this is from the destructible object. Let me grab it from here instead. Makes it more clear. The tool power needs to be at least greater or equal to what's required over here in order to break it. Now it should work, I think. Wait, I haven't set anything. Wait, hold on. Let me save. And I haven't set anything for testing. Now when I make, for example, let me make this minimum tool power to be 1, and see this, where is it? The mining stick. It has like a tool power of 0. If I go now mine the gravel I made before, using the mining stick, it should not give me the resource. See, it's not working. See, it didn't drop. But if I set the mining stick power level to be 1 or greater, now if I go mine it, it will break. As you can see here, see, now it broke, and we got the gravel or ground. Why did I call it ground? I have no clue. Now we need to make it so that we use the tool power so that it makes the things mine faster. See, as you can see here, I made like select something over here, and the first person character, that thing is for damaging the objects, the mining objects. This one the tool is not compatible, and A is when you have the correct tool to mine the object. Now you can see 10 is a lot. You will mine the object really quickly. There is a way. Now we do another select over here, select, and we check something over here. And actually no, we should not do select. We should not do that. We do multiply. We do multiply like that. Give this a 2 or whatever, 5. Let me put it 5, and it gets the tool power. We do +1 because tool power can be 0, right? If you multiply anything with 0, it will give you 0, so it will not break. As you can see, I added 1 from here. +1, then times 5. Then this is gonna will output the damage. See, if like the tool power is 0, the damage here will be 5. And if for example the tool power increased to level 1, the damage it can cause is 10. It increases for every level. So now if I give it like the mining stick as level 10, so basically like, I don't know, 55 I think damage. So if I grab this, the mining stick, now it's powerful immediately on a single hit. I don't know what happened to this one. Probably clipped to the ground. See, now this is not mining properly. You know what I mean. If you increase the power, now it breaks faster. Now that's how it works. Let me make another mining stick over here and call it a different name. And yes, like this. We call it. Let me make the old mining stick to be called to be a pickaxe, and the new mining stick, I'm gonna rename this to shovel stick. I don't know what should I call it, and let me give it a different thing over here. Oh, you know what? Let's change something instead. This mining stick is gonna be mining stick level 1. I'm just gonna name it level 1 because I have no proper name. And call it here another mining stick level 2, or yes, level 2, like that. This is also a pickaxe, but the tool power is level 2, and this one is 0. I know I skipped a level over here, but I want to make it obvious that it's stronger. Wait, I forgot to change something over here. Wait, I forgot something really important. In the level 1, I'm gonna leave it as wood. Level 2, I'm gonna make it like rock. Yes, this one. And let me spawn it. We duplicate these. And what was it? What level? What idea? Okay, this one. Okay, we have two types of mining stick, level 1 and level 2. As you can see here, level 1, I'm gonna show you here, it takes that long to mine it here. But for the level 2, mine's a lot faster. See, it's already broken. Now that's basically it, I think, for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.